Warmflow Agentis Professional range is designed to save on installation time and cost through a number of innovative, market-leading design features. The Agentis Professional is the only oil boiler in the UK and Irish market to come with a pre-wired Grundfos circulating pump as well as an Adey Magnaclean Pro 2 as standard. The filter is attached to the front of the boiler using an easy fit mechanism, ensuring it can be removed easily for servicing. All professional boilers come with an oil installation kit, including a Crossland oil filter and a Teddington fire valve, with either a 9-metre and a 3-metre capillary. All external models are supplied with a factory-fitted frost thermostat and a protective pre-coated maintenance-free casing rated to IP45. All boilers feature a condensate drain installation kit, ensuring all condensate can travel freely and without blockage. All boilers are also supplied with a 3-bar pressure relief valve, automatic air vent and corrosion inhibitor. For more information on the Warmflow Agentis Professional range, please visit www.warmflow.co.uk.